If you have a personal brand but you don't have time to make videos for YouTube, you're wasting a great opportunity to grow your brand and get new clients. I know how frustrating it can feel seeing how everyone else is making videos and getting views while you have barely any time to spare. In this video, I'm going to show you how I solved this problem in 3 steps that can save you hours. You see, I hear it all the time from solopreneurs that they want to build a YouTube channel, but they're too busy to do it. I get it. I had this problem too, and that's why I'm making this video. Okay, hear this. Stop doing what's urgent, start doing what is important. That's a quote from Stephen R. Covey. I had to let my cat out. So why is that important? Because having a YouTube channel is the best investment for a business you can have for your future. And the reason is simple. YouTube has 2.7 billion monthly users and people come to YouTube to learn something or have some entertainment. Just ask yourself, how much time are you spending on YouTube? I watch YouTube every day and all the channels I follow have a strong brand. Much stronger than personal brands on X or LinkedIn, in my opinion. In my onion opinion. Here's the big promise. YouTube can 10x or 100x your personal brand, help you become a known niche expert and automate your lead generation. In layman terms, you will become Maximus Decimus Meridius of YouTube. I hope that plants the right picture in your mind. Don't postpone taking YouTube seriously anymore. So let's diffuse this problem. How to make videos if you don't have any time. The first part is to batch. I need to do serial writing, shooting, and editing. So I'm writing at least 2 scripts when I'm writing. With this script, I also write a short promotional video for my 30-day challenge and another script about the cost of living in Spain. And when I'm shooting, I shoot at least 2 videos. I might change the shirt to give an impression that it's shot on another day. The same goes for editing. Honestly, batching saves me so much time, especially in shooting. It's frustrating to get everything ready for shooting a video because you need to clean your room, cut out all the distractions, set up your camera, set up your microphone, set up your lights, test that they work, have a fresh, positive energy, trim your face and wear a nice shirt, and make sure your cat and dog are fine. Good luck with that. Now, if you spend 1 hour to prepare for this and shoot only 1 video, you are wasting time, my friend. Shoot at least 2 videos. Shoot as many as you can. Want to learn a super hack? Get a teleprompter to read your script while looking at your camera. This alone saves you hours in shooting and editing. And you can control the prompter with this handy remote. Same goes for editing, and that is the second part. Editing is the biggest waste of time in the process that has to be optimized to be lightning fast. So how does that work? I really need to stop my urge to add something on the screen every 5 seconds. When I reduce that to 4 elements every minute, the editing becomes much easier and faster. And here comes the true value of this video. Optimized video editing process. Now, video editing itself has 3 key parts. Where are you going? Now, video editing itself has 3 key parts. First cut, editing B-roll, SFX, transitions, and final touches. Let's talk how you can optimize each part. First of all, AI tools like Ling AI can automate the first cut for you that saves you time. Watch my quick and dirty tutorial here. But if you don't have those tools available, you can still cut the video quite fast. Okay, let's cut the crap. If you want to see how to do a rough first cut, watch this beginner tutorial for DaVinci Resolve. I've been now using this optimized video editing process for 2 weeks, and I have to say it's making my life as a YouTuber much easier. Thanks to faster editing. I have published 7 videos, 7 shorts, and I have another 10 shorts scheduled to be posted in the following days. This amount of content would typically take me 2 months to publish. You can see here that my statistics are going up. So how does this work? There are 2 main keys to this. First, a video template. I have all the overlays, lower thirds and animations on the timeline where I can simply copy and paste them on the video. And then add whatever B-roll I need. This keeps my branding consistent and saves me hours of editing. Why wasn't I using this before? I guess I didn't want to grow my channel faster. Second key, to keep myself focused on the task that I'm doing and avoid doing anything that takes too much time, I first set 2 markers on the timeline 2 minutes apart, and then set my timer to 1 hour. The challenge is to finish the 2 minutes before the timer runs out. I can only speak for myself, but this is life changing for me. No more following deep rabbit holes of custom Blender animations and obscure AI video generations or getting distracted by random YouTube videos. Okay, this video has 3 parts, so let's cover the last one too. Publishing the video. To make the publishing fast, almost done. I upload the video, and while it's uploading, I design 2 thumbnails in Photopea for A/B testing. I know the thumbnails shouldn't be an afterthought and slapped together in 5 minutes, so I try to look for good references and make something that looks clear and professional. Then I write the description, add the timecodes and tags, and decide what the final title should be. It's such a good feeling to make videos at least twice faster than before. And if I can predict the future, thanks to this increased output, I believe my channel will at least double or triple in size before the end of the year. Subscribe to my channel to learn more useful stuff that helps you grow your channel too. Here's something important I didn't tell you yet. This will be my 114th public video on this channel. But if I had 200 videos on this channel, it would be at least twice bigger. See, my point is this. Posting more videos solves all the beginner problems. Why? You get more experience and exposure to build momentum, get more views, and double your chance of hitting a home run with an outlier video. I recently heard a statistic saying that on average, the YouTube channels with more than 1 million subscribers have at least 1,000 public videos. This is not to say you need to have 1,000 videos, but to point out that more videos equals bigger channel. So let's stop dreaming about having a big YouTube channel and actually build it by putting in the work with optimized video editing process,